Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to my Monac review. I wish you Happy New Year 2022 to everyone. Now I'm here inside the members area of Monac, and during this video, I'm going to give you the detailed demo of Monarch and the complete walkthrough of what is inside and what Monarch does basically. If you don't know me, it's Mayur here from YouTube channel Techno Ganesha. I'm a software professional and online marketer, over 20 years of experience, and I specialized in developing online and web applications specifically for the online marketers. So during this video, with my past experience, I'm going to give you three super powerful tips which product to buy. The tip number one is product has to be worth to make online. Like the product has to be worth to make money online. You can check out reviews online over Google and YouTube. I recommend that like YouTube is the best media. Tip number two is check out the bonuses. Are the bonuses aligned or in correlation with the product? And tip number three, I will give you during the video. So, in a nutshell, Monarch is a basically three-step system using to receive minimum $500 per day by exploiting a little known loophole found inside the Facebook server. Simply turn on the Morak and which press of a button and copy paste the special link where I shown, which lets me receive $47 to $97 payments, often even and more. So like if you copy paste the system for 5 times, you will earn $135. If you copy paste the system for 10 times, you will earn $270, and accordingly, like if you keep doing it for 50 times, it will like you will get the $13.50. So guys, in a nutshell, basically this is the system which gives you like in the control panel, you have to select the offer from Clickbank. Like it is categorized offers, and that way like you have to create your own opt-in page to lead magnet. This is very simple method, you can do it, and then like you can pull the traffic from what you can say from Facebook. So this is the system is all about. So isn't it great, guys? So I strongly recommend that you should pick this up. This is going to save your bunch of money from other competitors. So we are going to go through the video of Monarch. If this is something that you are interested in, stick with me for more details. In this video, I'm going to cover. I'm going to give you the full demo. Then secondly, I have some awesome bonuses for you guys which will help you out in the implementation phase, and sales page to talk about the pricing and the upsell. So let's check out the bonus page. So uh, so let's check out the bonus page. To claim my epic bonuses, you have to click on the link down below in the description, which will bring you through my bonus page. So this is the bonus page. So on my bonus page, the bonus number one is Access Backlink Warrior. So this is basically a software which gives you the backlinks to any of your offer or any of your web page or even to your YouTube videos. So with the backlinks, you will get the better ranking on Google, and there is a possibility you might get lot of traffic like the organic traffic. So the bonus number two is learn how to get better conversions. So guys, using the system, you will pull the traffic. Now you need to have the knowledge how you can convert this traffic and get the better conversion. So this bonus will help you to get better conversions. Very powerful bonus, guys. So the bonus number three is build your Facebook following fast. So Facebook is not just a social media; it's a platform where we get a lot of traffic, and this bonus basically gives you the detailed knowledge and tips and tricks like how you can build your Facebook fast and like grow your Facebook followings. And then we have this is followed by the bonus number 4, which is Boomerang Buddy Pro. This is the latest application. It gives you a lot of traffic, like there are different medias of using this. You can create and pull a lot of traffic and convert your traffic into the sales and make money online. And this is followed by the bonus number 5, which is all vendor bonuses. So let's take out what are the offerings from the vendor. Just one sec. Let me open the vendor bonuses. So guys, all these are the vendor bonuses. FB Viral, WP Auto Poster, A Affiliate Pro, WP Review. So all these are the bonuses from the vendors. So guys, let you know that this is going to go live on, so this is going to go live on 3rd of January at 11 a.m. Eastern time. So as of that time, you can click on any of these yellow buttons that will bring you through the bonus page, which will look like this. So here you can go ahead and pick this up. So this is just a word of warning, guys. This is going to go live on 3rd of January at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time. So you have to pick my bonuses before this countdown timers hits 0, because when it does, all my bonuses will expire, and that is something I don't want you guys to miss out on. So these are the bonuses. So let's check out the pricing of this software. So the front end is going to cost you $17. Okay, then the OTO number one is 47, which is the unlimited edition of this software. Front end might have some kind of restrictions. Then we have the OTO number two is Monarch done for you for $197. Monarch automation OTO 3 is for $47. Monarch 1 hour profit for $47. Monarch OTO 5 is for $97, and Monarch reseller rights for $47. So these are some of the benefits. I will definitely recommend that you should go for OTO number 1 for the unlimited edition, and OTO number 3 that will help out like after buying the front end. So this is the pricing. Let's check out the sales page. So this is the sales page. So recently discovered Facebook Lufol pays us $596.72 per day for copy and pasting one specialized link. This new app is commercial but 100% legal. No product needed, no waiting time, no nonsense. So we practically forcing Facebook to pay us, work on any computer, phone or tablet. We are receiving a non-stop loop of $27.47 payments. It's a copy paste simple, zero hard work required. Sorry. Branded simple, even for 12 years son could do it. 365 days money back guarantee. So like you have nothing to lose, it comes with the money back guarantee. Plus we will pay you $300 if you fails. So this is what it says on the sales page. I'm not going through the sales page with you guys, but let me check. These are some of the income proofs which you can see it on the sales page. So there are a lot of information on the sales page. So let's have a look at let's check out the members area. So this is the members area which come up with the VIP training. So you will get all the trainings and the bonuses in the control panel. So basically, guys, you have to go to the find. Here you will find all the list of categories from ClickBank. So you can choose any of the categories from your interest, and accordingly all the list of offers will be populated. So you can just click on any of the offer that will bring you give you the details of the offer. So after selecting the offer, you have to go to the advertise, and there you can track your offer. So in the build, basically, before that you have to create your own this thing opt-in page. So according to the need, you can create your own page, and this page you can publish it on the Facebook. So once you will advertise that on the Facebook, you can put the tracking code and you can track your own offer. So FB poster is basically, it gives you different what we can say, like the categories, like the post, your carousels. So accordingly you can create the attractive offers and postings which you can post it on Facebook. So they have the support system also. So this way you can create your campaigns and you can post it over Facebook, and you can track those using the tracking code. So this is all about the application. So let's check out. So guys, you can go through the bonus page. Check out my all bonuses. They are super powerful. You can go through the sales page at your own. There are tons of information on the sales page also. So overall, my thought on this, like, this is a really good application. And like, once set and forget, like, once you have set up everything, it keeps giving you the commission, and like it. So that's all from my end. Thank you very much for watching my Monarch review. I will speak to you soon with the next one. Thank you very much. Happy New Year once again. Take care. Goodbye.